Sound.
I need...
Dan Gain.
You have to tell me what...
help you.
You have to.
There are I cannot do. You have to be patient. It is not for me. You!
Dan
I carried that
Girton.
with me. I always wanted to be a blacksmith right from when I was a youngster, but I was always told that it was a dying trade and there was no point even thinking about it because I'd never get any training anywhere.
Dan Rhodes.
Jennifer?
Dad,
What happened to 9:30?
Emma Morgan.
Does she make you happy?
She's all I think about. Most of the time. I've tried to block her out. But she's always there.